Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the area to fix. Duplicate the layer and hide the original so you can always revert. Once isolated, switch to outline view to reveal hidden anchor points and stray segments that cause bad edges. Make sure to expand appearance and release compound paths where necessary so individual paths are editable. This prevents surprises later. You're doing this to control geometry before smoothing or aligning. Once done, you'll have clean, editable outlines ready for precise edge correction. Now you clean the geometry. Use direct selection to remove clustered anchors and merge nodes that create kinks. Once anchors are rationalized, apply Simplify with a low curve precision like 0.5 so curves remain faithful but smoother. Test incrementally. Make sure endpoints that should meet are snapped using smart guides or use object path join to fuse them cleanly. You do this to eliminate micro angles and gaps that produce jagged or misaligned edges, giving a consistent silhouette ready for final adjustments. Finish by refining strokes and intersections. Expand strokes to convert to fills, then use offset path to maintain consistent edge thickness where needed. Employ Shape Builder or Pathfinder to merge and subtract overlapping shapes so edges are mathematically clean. For subtle anti-aliasing problems, rasterize at a high resolution and then use Image Trace with Ignore White checked to recreate crisp vector edges. If things go wrong, try tracing the rasterized result. This often recovers smooth outlines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.